Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Kind of a cool pattern. Not as cool as I thought it was going to be originally when I started drawing it. So let's just draw it. If you if you use a six-sided polygon and hold down the control button so it's perfect, and then duplicate it and take this one, this node right up here to this corner, you get a square basically that's on a slant. So we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill it in. I'm going to use a different color on this one. And then I'm going to nudge that over and I'm going to left click, right click. And then I'm going to control D while holding down the control button, bring it straight down to wherever you really want. Now we're going to take this shape. Well, first of all, we'll draw some lines. I'm going to draw a line from there to there, line from there to there, kind of getting the triangle or the square shape. Then I'm going to delete lines we cannot see or shouldn't be able to see. Now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool again and fill that in. I'm going to nudge it. You don't have to do this, but I like nudging it over because I can kind of see it. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And I'm going to get the two-sided arrow. I'm just going to bring it in. And then I can nudge it right back. So there's our what we need right there. I said I was going to use different colors. I don't really know what would be the best. So I'm going to use blacks and grays. I'm going to put black here. Well, I need to draw one more line. And I'm going to put a line here. Make it look like it's going down there. I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with black. Then I'm going to take a lighter gray and fill in the outside. And then I'm going to take even a lighter gray, maybe, and put in here. And then actually on that one too. Now I'm going to select it all and I'm going to take away the outline so those red lines won't show. And you could do more to this. You could actually put a little interactive fill tool to make it look like it's going down in the hole more. You know, it's not that big a deal because of the fact that the other side is black. Control G to group it together, and we're going to make it 5 inches or any amount because I've set my nudge factor on 5 inches. So I'm going to Control D and just nudge it over. And then I'm going to group those together with Control G, Control D, make a duplicate. Grab that top node and put it right there. It'll snap to it. Now you could continue going down, but then you're going to be at an angle more. So if you group these together, Control G, Control D, and then move this one down, and then you can Control D and they're going to go straight down. Yeah, maybe the gray looks a little bit better. If you could use multiple colors, it might even be better. Matter of fact, I'm off. Let me get rid of that one. I didn't have it snap to it. Yeah, that one's not even good. So well, that first one's not even good. I can see a little, so I'm gonna ungroup it, grab this one and delete it. So I didn't snap too good. Control G, Control D. You've got to be on that node. There we go. And then Control G, Control D, and then move it down. There we go. And then just keep going Control D as many as you want. And you could make it square. Let's Control G and hit P and put it in the center of the page. And then you don't have to do this because this looked pretty cool, but go from that node down to that node. And because that's a group, we can select both of them and go and hit the intersect key. And the intersect is going to basically have you a square pattern. Don't have to do this part, but if you were going to use it for a pattern, you know what? I was just wondering what it looked like if you spun it around 180 degrees. see how it would look. Didn't really look any different. I thought it might be, um, that's probably the best. It does look pretty cool. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.